It's Saturday evening, March the 16th, 2024, and we are at the Emerald Mountain Golf Course, hole number 16, very picturesque. I'm going to do a little flyover, a few of the holes here over the swamp area, and do a little update on the golf course. The golf course is in remarkable shape for just coming out of winter. Looks pretty good to me. Hole number 16. There we are approaching River Birch Park and Mountain Laurel. And we're going to fly up over towards the clubhouse. See what we can see over there. Again, it's a great time to fly because of the shadows and the way the light reflects off the water. And we're coming up to the clubhouse. Everybody has pretty much left for the day. It is probably about 6 o'clock when I recorded this. And like I said, I believe the course is in remarkable shape for just coming out of winter. They've done a lot of work, a lot of improvements to the course. And up in the upper part there's the Emerald Mountain subdivision up there. We're going to come back around River Birch Park and Mountain Laurel. And I can't remember the numbers of the holes. You'll have to forgive me for that one. Anyway, we're going to head out over the swamp. I think there's great beauty in that swamp area. A lot of critters down in that water. There we're coming up on hole number 12 and 13. 13 in the foreground and 12 in the upper part of the picture there. This is one of my favorite holes to photograph and to fly over. You can go back and look at some of the other videos that I've done over the golf course, and you can see the difference. And again, like I said, it looks like the course is in relatively good shape for this time of the year and coming out of winter. And there's a school over there on the left. They're doing a little work over there on the baseball fields. We'll come back over the swampy area. We got the mountains and the lowlands in Emerald Mountain. We'll be coming back around to hole number 16. I went back and looked at some of the other videos that I'd done on these holes, and the great difference. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Well, there you have it. A short little tour of a few of the holes at the Emerald Mountain Golf Course and some of the wetlands. What a beautiful, beautiful place to play. Thank you so much for watching.